Hi everyone, today we're going to make pepper steak with oyster sauce. My choice is Nikanki Panda brand, green label, no MSG added. This one's a premium oyster sauce, very good too. And I will show you how to make beef tender. Here are a few steps. First, let's see the ingredients. I have 2 bell peppers, green and red, and I'm going to use half of each. Let's cut the peppers. Remove the seeds like this. We use half and save the rest. Same with red pepper. Today we use oyster sauce to make it flavorful, and normally use the Nikanki Panda brand, green label, no MSG added, and their ingredients and the quality very good. Use half and cut into slices. Now I have 2 cloves of garlic cut into slices. And we just need a few slices of ginger. For stir-fried beef, I normally use flank steak. You may use skirt steak or sirloin. This is about 10 ounces. Now we're going to cut the beef. We use paper towel to pat it dry. In order to make beef tender, we need to cut it very thin. First I cut in half into 2 pieces. Then we need to cut against the grain. You can see this is green. So we need to cut very thinly. Now our beef has been sliced. It seems 10 ounces is a lot, right? I'm not going to use all of them. Next, let's marinate the beef. For about 1/4 teaspoon salt. Add 1 tablespoon light soy sauce and 1 tablespoon cooking wine. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon water, filtered water. And 1 tablespoon cornstarch. Now mix them together in one direction. This way it seals the moisture. Last, we add about 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. This way when we stir frying, it will be easier to separate. Now our beef is marinating. We'll give 15 to 20 minutes before we stir fry. We heat up a pan and add some oil. Turn to medium heat. First, we're going to saute the peppers, green and red peppers. About 2 to 3 minutes. If you like it crunchier, you may cook less. Add a little bit of salt to help cook through quicker. After 2 minutes, you can see the skin is caramelized and we can set aside. Add more oil. We're going to saute garlic slices, ginger slices. Now we turn to high heat. We'll cook beef quickly. After about 2 minutes, you can see no more pink color. We add peppers back. Then add a little bit dark soy sauce. The color looks good. We add the oyster sauce in the end. We don't want to overheat oyster sauce. Shake well before you use it. We add about 1 tablespoon. Now our beef is ready. Let me taste it for you guys. Delicious beef like this, we definitely need the rice. Piece of meat, piece of pepper. The beef is very tender, flavorful, and the pepper very crunchy. So delicious. Please try to make this. Just remember the key steps. You can make a tender beef. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.